man, look, appreciate you coming in, ready to do this. You know, based on what we talked about, I got a beat I think you're really gonna like, gonna do what you need to do. Little feedback, I'm confused though. Don't you paint stuff? Yeah, man, you know, we paint stuff, spray paint, hand paint, airbrush, and all that. You know what I'm saying? I add flavor. I actually recently did some customs for my nephew Ollie, did some rubber duckies. Rockstar thing, you know what I'm saying, because he loved duckies, but my sister-in-law was like, you know, she don't want them super babyish with rubber duckies, so I was like, look, go make Rockstar duckies, you know, getting the mohawk, the spike chain, all of that. Made a real fly. Really happy how it came out. Did some great accents with some purple and red. Yeah, and then, you know, I think he really loved them too. Was that actually conversational, or were you just teeing up for your intro for your YouTube video? Maybe. Are we in the video right now? Maybe. Alright, man, so look, you know what? You paid me, Cash App came through. I'm not gonna judge. Why don't we just go ahead and get started? I'm ready to rock and roll. So let's lay down these vocals, put it on the wax, baby. No, what we're gonna do is record your audio output and put it on a digital file that's shareable, being as though it's 2021 in the 70s. Agree to disagree. Let's go ahead and hop in the booth, player. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Oh. But bro, you told me to get in the booth or get you a balanced breakfast. Why am I in the pantry? Because you found me on Craigslist and only charged $5 an hour. Let's do this. Hey, yo, yo, yo! So you already know what it is. It's your boy Niamu, the raw talent, and I'm out here, you know what I'm saying, about to put down that hot fire y'all ain't even ready for. This gonna be something you never heard. It's gonna kill every track you ever listen to. Here we go. World premiere, doing it on a record label, in the production, in the studio, killing the game right now. I ain't gonna start yet, but the bomb already went off. Y'all may know me for painting stuff, paint my behind off, but watch this track I put down, it's gonna kill them. We never heard nothing like this before, yo. Never seen nothing like this before. You'll be like, yo, that kid rap better than he paint, but he paint better than he raps. I hope y'all ready. Here we go. Cause I ain't do it by myself. I remember all the people that held me down, that helped me out. So I hope y'all ready for the realness. Cause I carry them with me and they here too. So shout out to Pookie, shout out to No Love, shout out to All Love, shout out to Ray Ray, shout out to Nico, shout out to KK, Lele, Bebe, Momo, Top Dog, Bottom Dog, Real Dog, Hustle Dog, you know you, Kiki, Lee, to my boy Booger, shout out to my boy Tyreek, Deshaun, Chico, Frico, Lico, Nico, my man from MLK, John, Ray, Duco, Jordan, Derek, Tyreek. Yeah, I know about 5 Tyreeks. Deshaun, Keisha, Melisha. All y'all, man. I'm doing this with y'all. We ain't by ourselves. Here we go. Cause I do this for the block. I do this for the hood where I came from. L Street, Uptown, Northtown, K Street, 21st, 24th, 25th. Shout out to MK, shout out to Malcolm X Boulevard, MLK Boulevard, Harriet Tubman Boulevard, Frederick Douglass Boulevard, Martin Luther King Street, Tyreek Street, St. Charles Place, States Avenue, Virginia Avenue, Kentucky Avenue, Park Place, Pennsylvania Avenue, Boardwalk, Mediterranean, Baltic Avenue, Marvin Garden. Go straight to jail, we out here. Vermont Avenue, Oriental Avenue. Pass go, and I'ma get my 200 all day. So here we go. About to be the realest. Yo. So when I say I'm the top, you say I'm dog. I'm the top. Oh, but it's not a concert, it's a track. Oh, y'all ready? Yo. I be like. Oh man, what happened? That was exhausting. Hey, I was about to spit that work. Why? I can't be a part of this. I got fired and I was letting that beat build. Brick by brick, man. That's good feedback, but I promise you, I'm really about to kill it with this. No, in God's name. way is this coming out of my studio? Look, I'll refund the cash out for your time, but I can't be a part of this. So, yeah, once you go ahead and teleport, get the time lapse started for the artwork, and we'll take it from there. Alright, let's get into it. So we've already sketched out our Rockstar Duckie, so now we're just filling out colors. First we'll take some Angela's Aqua to fill in the mohawk, and next we'll take our acrylic paint pen to fill in the other colors. Of course we have yellow for the Duckie, and orange for the bill, and then we're going to do purple in the background for this Rockstar Duckie. For the Angela's paints I use, of course, I'm going to mix with 2 soft, 1-to-1 ratio, and heat set dry so that the fabric stays nice and soft after the paint dries. And because the area is so small, we're taking our time, getting each and little every corner nice and smooth with our detail brush to fill in the color. Next, we're going to move to our second little Duckie. I'm going to take some Angela's light green to do his mohawk, and then we're going to take our yellow to fill in the body of the rubber Duckie. And let's get our orange acrylic paint pen to fill in the bill, and then we'll take our red to start to fill in the red background as well. I went for a 2-tone red for the background to kind of show kind of like a shine of ray of light for Rockstar as when he comes out the stage entrance, which I thought was really, really cool. Now we're filling our other red, which is more of a kind of a maroon, but I think it contrasts really good with our primary red to show that kind of ray of light shining behind the Rockstar when he's on stage rocking out. Then we're going to take our Angela's red to fill in the inside of the shoe, more so the opposite side. And of course, again, each Angela's color is mixed 1-to-1 ratio with 2 soft, and heat set for about 3 to 5 minutes with our hair dryer so that the fabric is nice and soft after the paint dries. Next, we're going to work on our tongues, and we're doing opposite colors. So the purple shoes have a red tongue, and the red tongues have a purple shoes. I thought that'd be really cute for a kid's shoe, and I think they're going to contrast really good having opposite tongues like that. Working on these small areas of small shoes may seem tedious, but it's actually really relaxing because of the concentration it takes. Kind of just brings me peace to work on art altogether. So working on this and having my full focus, something I really enjoyed, and you know, I'm doing it for my nephew, and I know he's going to love him, so that makes it even funner. So we're adding some extra flavor with a silver outline for our Rockstar Duckie with the blue mohawk, and then we're going to do a little accent symbols on the opposite side as well. And then we're going to take our toothpick and do some white highlights for the mohawk and for the bill and the Duckie's body also. Next, let's go ahead and grab our black pen, and we're going to do our black outlines as well, which is going to make all of our colors pop with that solid black outline. And as you can see, I had some speech bubbles with the music notes and quack to show you that they're singing and rocking out like Rockstar Duckie should. again, we're just filling our black outline all together. Once we have all of our colors laid out, everything's going to come together, pop, and frame really well with that solid black outline. And then, of course, I filled in the shades and that star over the eye just like a Kiss Rockstar, and we're all set. Alright, so anyone who knows me knows by now that I have been really pushing to support and share information on fellow business owners and entrepreneurs. My brother and sister-in-law, Ollie's parents, are no exception. They are professional doctors and licensed acupuncturists and herbalists. They own their own practice of natural medicine that includes acupuncture and herbalism, as well as nutrition and other forms of natural medicine to get the body right. If you are in the Maryland, Virginia area, please stop by their website. Offer various services such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, cupping, V-steam, nutrition, and more. I'm going to leave a link below to their website as well as their Instagram pages. Be sure to check them out and see what you think. They're your source for natural medicine.
What's in there? What does that say? Says Ollie's. Wow. That's your name.
Nay.
What's in there? What's in there? What is it?
Ooh, nice. It's shoes.
They're shoes. Those are custom shoes for you.
It's shoes.
Your Uncle Niamu made those.
It's shoes.
What's on the shoes? What's on the shoes?
It's a duck singing. Quack, quack.
Is that a duck? Your favorite. Ducks. Yeah.
Shoe.
Shoe.
Shoes. Nice. You're going to be styling and profiling at the playground.
Look at those shoes. Those are nice.
A shoe.
A shoes.
Wow.
A shoe.
Look how cool. Your very own custom duck shoes. What do you think? You like them? You say thank you?
Ducky shoe.
You say thank you?
Thank you for the shoes.
Ducky shoe.
Those are awesome. You're going to look great in those. You want to put them on? Okay.
Boy Booger, shout out to my boy Tyreek, Deshaun, Chico, Frico, Lico, Nico,